A very good morning to all my dear students of class 7. This is the last class of the week. In yesterday's class, I have started teaching you nouns, which is the second unit from your elementary English grammar book. In yesterday's class, I have explained with you all what are nouns, how many kinds of nouns are there, the classifications of nouns like common noun, proper noun, material noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and the other kinds of classifications that are countables and uncountables. I told you to write the definitions and the examples of the kinds of nouns. I told you to do exercise 1, 2 and 3, and today I will start from exercise 4. So students, in exercise 4, all of you are asked to change the following sentences from singular to plural. For these students, I will tell you, for conversion of a sentence from singular to plural, we have to keep it in our mind that we have to change the verbs also. Because in previous classes, we have already learned that verbs always agree with the subject. If somehow the subject is changed, then the verbs will also be in plural. So if we only change the nouns of the sentence to make it plural, then the sentence will be incorrect. We have to change the subject, the nouns, where the noun is the subject, in those cases the nouns, and if the noun is the subject, then the verbs also. Okay. The first one is given here. The scenery around this village is breathtaking. The scenery around this village is breathtaking. So students, scenery is uncountable. And one more thing we have to keep in our mind, that uncountables uncountables are something which we cannot count. So uncountables cannot be converted into plurals. So uncountables are always singulars. We can only make plurals of those nouns which are countable. Uncountables cannot be converted into plurals. They are always singular. So the scenery around this village is breathtaking. The scenery will remain same. Around this village. So THI is this village will become these villages. But the subject here is the scenery. So is will remain is only. The scenery around these villages is breathtaking. The sceneries around these villages is breathtaking. She is not fond of music. Here, music is the noun, which is again uncountable. So there won't be any change in the sentence. This cup is made of silver. So this cup will become these cups. These cups are made of silver. So silver here is the material noun. For that we cannot convert silver into plural. So these cups are made of silver. Next, number 4, I have little freedom at school. So freedom is again abstract noun which we cannot convert into plural, uncountable. So I have little freedom at school. There is no change. Okay. Number 5, she bought her furniture from Myanmar as their teak wood is famous. Again, furniture, we cannot convert them into plural. Furniture is always singular. So she bought her furniture from Myanmar, a proper noun, so no plural, as their teak wood is famous. Wood is again uncountable. So there is no change in the sentence. So students, while converting the sentences into plurals, you have to keep them in mind. If these things come in exam, there can be tricky sentences with uncountables which can never be converted into plural. So there won't be any change. The sentences will remain unchanged. So you have to be careful while converting a whole sentence into plural. 1 to 5 I have done. 6 to 10 I will tell you to do. Try to do yourselves. Okay. Next is collective nouns. So students, you are from 6 to 7. If you remember, last year I have given you, I think 50 or 100 list of collective nouns to be prepared. I asked you several times at class also. So I hope you are having the copies of last year's. So prepare them. Once you prepare all this 50 or 100 collective nouns, then I will request you to read, take a good grammar book, Nesfield, PC Dash, PK De Sarkar, whatever you like, and prepare many collective nouns, as many as possible. In exercise 5, so there are certain words given in boxes. So you will find which collective noun is suitable here. A number of cars is always called fleet. A number of sheep, flock. A number of trees, clump. A number of sticks, bundle. A number of puppies, litter. A number of savages, horde. A number of grapes, bunch. A number of soldiers, battalion. A number of players, team. A number of cattle, flock. So this you will do in your copy. Exercise 4 and 5. Now I will teach you something which is very important for you all. That is conversion from adjectives to abstract nouns. Conversions from verbs to abstract nouns. If you remember, students, I have taught you that suffixes are added with root words. Like kind plus suffix ness, kindness. Kindness is an abstract noun. So there are different ways of converting adjectives into different suffixes. Suffixes are added after the root word. Prefixes are added before the root word. Okay. So different suffixes can be added. So here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in 5 numbers, there are many suffixes that are added with the words, mostly adjectives, to convert them into abstract nouns. Like kind, kindness, loud, loudness, sweet, sweetness, thick, thickness, bold, boldness, dark, darkness, sick, sickness, weak, weakness, happy, happiness, lazy, laziness. Another one, suffix ion, act, action, add, addition, confuse, confusion, create, creation, invade, invasion, form, formation, repeat, repetition, solve, solution, reject, rejection, divide, division. Next is by adding ance, ence, ment, like appear, appearance, assist, assistance, resist, resistance, agree, agreement, judge, judgment, absent, absence, present, presence, patient, patience, punish, punishment, appoint, appointments, like that. By adding ty and y, cruel, cruelty, loyal, loyalty, certain, certainty, guilt, guilty, honest, honesty, modest, modesty. These are all by adding suffixes. Words are converted into abstract nouns. I will request you all to prepare them by heart. Prepare all. Next is, there are certain verbs which can be converted into abstract nouns. Like advise, advise, ac, advice. Believe, verb, belief. Choose, choice. Do, did. Depart, departure. Laugh, laughter. Fly, flight. High, height. Lose, loss. Weigh, weight. Long, length. Seat, sit, seat, SEAT, seat. Apart from this, there are many lists of conversions from different parts of speech to abstract nouns. I would request you all to prepare them. After you complete preparing all these things, I would request you all to take another book and prepare. Any good book, Wren and Martin, any book. So if you find out this conversion, you will get. This will enrich your vocabulary. This, as well as the collective nouns, the list of collective nouns will enrich your vocabulary. So up to this, I am ending today. 4 exercises will be left. I am not proceeding anymore because these things are very important for you to prepare. I am putting stress on preparing this list of conversion into abstract nouns and the list of collective nouns. You prepare them by heart, students. Okay. If you learn this, you will be benefited in future and now also. So the last 4 exercises, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 8 is just a crossword puzzle and 9 is again you have to find out these words. These are very easy. This will take 4-5 minutes class. This I will complete in the next class. So today you prepare up to this. So bye. See you next week.